right at the 5 hour mark. It's a little after 5 now. Around 4:46. No, it was 4:44. Got a tornado warning for my area. A tornado warning. Southeast Louisiana. We don't get tornadoes. We do not get tornadoes. We get tropical storms. We get hurricanes. Tornadoes? I'm praying that the lights don't go out because we are in July and it's hot and muggy at this time of year. Now, the last time the lights went out in this area, it was in September, and it was hot as I don't know what in September, and we were without our lights for 7 or 8 days. I remember it was so hot. I had to sleep in the living room with the door open, and then I was constantly jumping up, checking the front door to make sure nobody was coming in on me. So I just can't. A tornado? I just keep saying to myself, a tornado? Really? Flash flood storms, tropical storms, hurricanes, but no tornado. But that's what they're saying. We're under a tornado watch. So everybody in the potentially affected area, please be safe, and everybody else, please pray for us. This is weird. This is just weird.